name's Mark.
Sam and Mark. Welcome to the weekend!
We are going to give you an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at the brand new series of Big Friday Wind-Up. We've had new pictures done, so these were taken recently. The others were like 5 years old. So this is the green room. That's today's embarrassing dad, Paul. Woo! Looking good, yeah. Paul. Looking good, mate. So we're just rehearsing the Mark versus item of the show. So Mark's not allowed to know what happens. They never tell me anything because he goes up against a kid from the audience. So he doesn't know that this is all happening. 2, 1. So very shortly, the audience are going to be coming in, sitting down, we're going to get ready, we're going to get everything fired up.